Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series, and this video we will learn about the Spring Hateoas. So what is it for? It's a library in Spring that helps you build REST APIs with hypermedia. It means your API doesn't just send the data, it also includes links to guide the clients on what to do next. So think of it as making your API self-discoverable and flexible. And let's jump into the code example. So in this video we will go through the example for do just very simple. We just add a link to every account item here. Okay, you can go to the Postman and run this API for get a list of account, and we have many items here. Every item is a account with some basic information about the account, and in this example we just provide a link to help client can go to the account detail, which has more information about the account. Okay, so let's get started. You can, based on the previous example, would have some class for the account service, account controller, to provide the list of the account. And first you need to create an API for the get account by ID. Okay, so most of the time, normally you want to get an account detail, you need to get a single one by using the ID, right? So you need to create one. Okay, get mapping value equal ID, right? And public account, and get account by ID, and the ID comes from the path variable name is ID, and this ID is an integer. And we also need to create a service method for this. You can go to the account service and add the method account get account by ID, and provide an ID for it, and go back to the class, implement that methods, and here you just call the repository file by ID and put the ID here, and call the get method. Alright, so now we have a method for get an account by ID, and normally this method will provide more extra information for the account, but in this example we just do a simple example, so then you can understand more about the Hateoas. But in the real project you need to provide more information for this method, okay, for this account, sorry. And here just return the service get account by the ID. Alright, okay, and after we prepare the method for the getting account by ID, we will implement the Hateoas for the account detail here. To use in this, we we must to add the library. So we go to the POM file and open your browser, search the Spring Hateoas Maven, click on this link. Alright, and choose a version and copy this one and paste here. Then you synchronize the project with the Maven Central. After we fetch the library, you can go to the account detail here and extend represent model account detail. Okay, and now by extend this class we have a method. Okay, we will do it later. Okay, just go back to the account controller, and in here, so we will add more information to every detail item here. To do that, you need to create a for loop to loop all the information inside the list detail here. Account detail list, and in here you will call the detail. So now the detail had the method name add. Okay, you can see here the add method. Just use this method, and inside this you run put the method link to. Okay, link to method from web MVC link builder. Okay, normally you can see this, so I will remove the important, and you see when you type the link to, you can't see any suggestion. So in that case you just type the whole line, and then you can see the suggestion to import this method. Okay, just import late and import it, and inside the link to you type another method on. Okay, this method also come from the web link builder, and you just type the entire method name and import it like this, and inside it you call the account controller class. Okay, put the param account controller class inside this, and inside the account controller we have the method to get the account by ID, right? And now you need to put the ID in here. So because the account detail doesn't have the method, the field for the ID, so we need to put this field for the account detail. Okay, please note that this ID needs to be the same with the name of this need to be the same with the entity account here. We just get from this ID. All right. After we have the ID, you can go back to the account controller and add the detail get ID inside this, and out of the link to you call the method with rel method like this, and finish with self ref. Okay, so we have finished for add the link to the detail, every detail in this list detail. Okay, and now you can rebuild the project and run it to see the results by calling the Postman. Alright, go to Postman and send. Alright, after run, you can see we have an extra information here in the links. Okay, links, which has a link to the API to get a single account like this, and the same for the second one. Okay. Alright, I think that's it for this video, and if you have any question, please comment below. And if you like the video, please click on the button like and subscribe to the channel to make me that makes me happy to create more interesting video for you. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.